Hello friends, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix hotspot not working or mobile hotspot or portable hotspot not connecting problem in Realme Narzo 50i. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix hotspot not working or not connecting problem in Realme Narzo 50i, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first just tap on settings and then watch complete video and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.